Pandas commands. Description Pandas is a powerful data analysis and manipulation library for Python. It provides data structures like series and data frame, and tools for reading writing data, reshaping, slicing, merging, and more. Key commands. Data structures. Commands. PD. Series. Description creates a Pandas series. Usage PD. Series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. PD. Data frame. Description creates a Pandas data frame. Usage PD. Data frame call 1, 1, 2, 3. Call 2A, B, C. PD. Reads CSV. Description reads a CSV file into a data frame. Usage PD. Read CSV file.csv. PD. Read Excel. Description reads an Excel file into a data frame. Usage PD. Read Excel file, XLSX. Data manipulation. Commands. df. Head. Description returns the first n rows of the data frame. Usage df. Head 5. df. Tail. Description returns the last n rows of the data frame. Usage df. Tail 5. df. Describe. Description generates descriptive statistics of the data frame. Usage df. Describe. df.info. Description prints a concise summary of the data frame. Usage df.info. df. Group by. Description groups data frame using a mapper or by a series of columns. Usage df. Group by column. Data selection. Commands. df column. Description selects a single column from the data frame. Usage df column. df column 1. Column 2. Description selects multiple columns from the data frame. Usage df column 1. Column 2. df.lock. Description accesses a group of rows and columns by labels. Usage df. Locrowindexer. Column indexer. df. Illoc. Description accesses group of rows and columns by integer position. Usage df. Illocrowindexer. Column indexer. Data cleaning. Commands. df. Dropna. Description drops rows with missing values none. Usage df. Dropna. df. Fillna. Description fills missing values none with specified method. Usage df. Fillna value. df. Drop duplicates. Description drops duplicate rows. Usage df. Drop duplicates. df. Rename. Description renames columns of a data frame. Usage df. Rename columns old name new name. Data merge and join. Commands. PD. Concat. Description concatenates pandas objects along a particular axis. Usage PD. Concat df1. df2. Axis 0. PD. Merge. Description merges data frame objects by performing a database-style join operation. Usage PD. Merge df1. df2. Onky column. df. Join. Description joins columns of another data frame. Usage df. Join other df. Data output. Commands. df. tocsv. Description writes the data frame to a CSV file. Usage df. tocsv file.csv. Index false. df. To Excel. Description writes the data frame to an Excel file. Usage df. To Excel file. XLSX. Sheet name sheet 1. Index false.